Hello everyone, Senior Master Reid here. Not my ideal or normal setting, but I thought I would go ahead and get this in so that I make sure we get it sent out. I hope that everyone had a fantastic holiday and great time spent with family and relatives and friends and so forth. We, as a staff, went to Tennessee, got some great training in, and we think that's going to be something that's going to work out for everyone, because we learned a whole lot about how to provide a better service for you guys, and so that is fantastic. This week, we're excited to be back and training and excited to have you in class. This Saturday, I am going to be teaching a Tai Chi application workshop, so I hope that all my AQUIS students will come out. If you're not in the AQUIS program and you want to learn something about Tai Chi applications, you're welcome to join us. Information will be up in the window and also on Master Reid website, probably by the end of the day if it's not already up there, and so forth. Then Guru Bahati is going to join us on December 17th, and then we have testing coming up at the school in the middle of December. Testing will take place on Wednesday and Thursday, and on graduation will be on Friday at the Kennesaw Rec Center. Krav Maga, you guys will have your testing on that Thursday night. So those are the quick announcements for right now. There'll be more to come. We just want to reach out to you as a staff and tell you guys that we love you. We appreciate you. We look forward to seeing you. Terima kasih, aloha, one love.